Okay, now how to write sets? There are three ways. It could be through roster or listing method. The second is through verbal description method. And the other is the set builder notation, or we call it the rule form. Now, remember that once you will write the sets, you need to enclose it with a braces. So for example, listing. List the set of terrestrial planets. You could name your set with any capital letter. Again, it's up to you to name the set with any capital letter. Then equal sign, open braces, close braces, then list the elements. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Next, we need to list the set of odd numbers. Winfred, well, how do you submit your activity? There is an assignment bin. I'll show you after. Okay. Now, next, set of odd numbers. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And remember, it will not end. So what do we place if it will not end? We place the 3 dots. What do you call the 3 dots? See, what's the name of the 3 dots? Anybody? Sa ti pangalan gimambag-o naman to, ma'am, oy. What are the 3 dots? We call it the
Ellipsis? Ellipsis?
Okay. Okay, now, so that's how you do the listing method. Now, the second way is to write it in a verbal description method. We do not list it. We simply describe them. Like, example, let's go back here. How do you describe letter set A? It's the set of terrestrial planets. So we just write it this way. A equals open braces set of terrestrial planets. Then close. Or for set B, sige, how do you describe this one? These are odd numbers. So we just write them as set of odd numbers. Again, do not forget your open and close braces, the set name, letter B, then the equal sign. The third one is the set builder notation or the rule form. Actually, the verbal description and the set builder notation are very much alike. For example, di ba kanyo set of terrestrial planets? In set builder notation, you write it as A equals, open braces, then it's up to you. You could pick any small number, X, then you write a bar. We read it as X such that, there at the bottom, X such that X, then singular form, is a terrestrial planet. Or letter B, there. Set of odd numbers. Sige. We write B equals open braces. You just choose a small number, Y, such that Y, singular, is an odd number. So any questions? Sige, let's try answering. Lakakbo. Sige, let's try answering activity number 4. Wait lang ha. Activity number 4, set A. Sige. Roster notation method. A is equal to the set of letters of the word math. What could be the answer? What are the letters of the word math? Sige, unmute your microphone.
X.
What are the letters of the word math? of the word math?
M-A-T-H, ma'am.
Sige, M-A-T-H. This is David. M, comma, A, comma, T, comma, H. Very good. Next, I'll just do the first ones, okay? Set D. You write it in verbal description. How do you describe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12?
Even numbers.
Even.
Numbers.
Next. Sige, set G, but this time in set builder notation. Set G. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Even.
And very good, Kevin. But we need to write it in, what's this? A set builder notation. Wait for a while. I'll just get my drawing pad. Wait for a while. So you will see how we write it. Okay. You mentioned a while ago that these are even numbers. But how do we write it? Let me share my whiteboard. Here. Remember, you said these are even numbers. What's the name of the set? Set G. So write it in capital letter. Then be sure to write R braces. What's that? Then how do you write in set builder? Choose a small letter like X such that X is, what's that one again? An even number. Do you get it? Again, choose a small letter such that a small letter again is an even number. Like for example, in number 4, this is number 7, right? In number 4, it's still an even number, right? But since it is in verbal description, we just write set D as even numbers. That one only. Let me go to number 1. What are the letters of the word math? What's again, David? What's the answer?
M.
What's next?
M-A-T-H.
Comma, A, comma, T, comma, H. What if nag-answer ko, mami? Ano akong answer, ma'am, o? M-A-T-H na yun. M-A-T-H. Then, that is a wrong answer. Okay? Again, once you list, there must be a comma. So, M, comma, A, comma, T, comma, H, comma. Any questions? Okay na?
Ma'am, pwede ka magatag another example sa G, ma'am?
Sige, sa G. Let me clear. For example, I have here set Y. Set Y is the set of red, blue, yellow. Ay, muna akong example kaganina. Wait first. Set Z. 5, 10, 15, 20. This must be in set builder notation. Okay. So what is in set Z? How do you describe 5, 10, 15, 20? These are multiples of 5.
5.
Okay, very good. But in set building notation, so we write it as, sige, sino gusto nga letter na gamay? Z po, di problema. Z such that Z is a singular form. Multiple of 5.
5.
Any questions? Okay na? Give me a thumbs up if it's okay. Okay, very good. Mantay bito ga thumbs up ha. Nga dili maabot sa activity. Dili na maka-answer. Okay, now. So, you need to do activity. Asa naman to akong kan? There. You need to do activity number 4. Now, let's go to the next one. This is very simple. The cardinality of a set. Now, let me just have my mouse again. Now, what is the cardinality of a set? If you say cardinality of a set, it means how many elements are there. So, we say that the cardinality of a set is only applicable for finite sets. Why? Because you could count the finite sets, right? The elements. But if it's infinite, then the cardinality is also infinite. Example, set A. Primary colors. What are the primary colors? Red, blue, yellow. How many elements are there? 3. So we say that N of A, it's read as the cardinality of set A is equal to 3. Next, set B, months of the year. How many months of the year are there? There are 12.
12.
So the cardinality of set B is 12. Next, let's go to C. Vowels in the word rhythm. Are there any vowels in the word rhythm? There's no vowel, right? All are consonants. So the cardinality of set C is 0. Now, if the cardinality is 0, then the set is empty or there's no element. So we call the empty set or null set. How do we write it? Braces lang, walay sulod. Or, masyag 0 nga naay bar nga wala. So this one. So for example, C, vowels in the word rhythm, there are no answers, right? No elements. So we just write it as braces or this one, the null set. So its cardinality is 0. Sige be, let's start. Just number 1, set D, disciples of Jesus. What is the cardinality?
12. 12.
Very good. There are 12 disciples of Jesus. So the cardinality of set D is 12. Other questions? Or give me a thumbs up if you're okay. Okay na? So you need to do activity number 5. Mamdaghanan na mo quiz karon oy. Okay, let's go to the last topic. The last topic is on universal set and or subsets. Wait for a while.